So, hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. So guys, this video is gonna be a very special and also a very beneficial video for all of them who wanna learn, who wanna practice the English in the American accent. Yes guys, you listen right. And today is the first episode of day 5. As everyone knows that I have taken a challenge. This challenge is 1 week for American accent challenge. And as I tell you, it is the day 5 of the my channel challenge. As everyone knows, in my challenge, I have to make 2 videos daily about the American accent. So that's why guys, today also I am gonna make this video, and the topic that I am gonna talk you and I am gonna explain you in this video, it is very important. It may be any accent. It may be the American accent, it may be Indian accent, it may be Germany accent, it may be the British accent, or any accent you wanna speak, you wanna practice. If you use the topic that I am gonna tell you, then guys, it will be very good. Your fluency will develop 100%. You can speak with anyone in those accents very confidently, and you also can practice them, and your sound will be like natural sound. Okay, I also discovered that many people, many British accent people and also Indian accent people, they just try to speak the English language word by word. But guys, I want to tell everyone that whenever you are gonna speak word by word, then the sound will produce like the copy English. Okay, like the copy English, and it is not the right way to speak English. Whenever you are gonna do some conversation with anyone, whenever you're gonna practice, whenever you are speak the English, then guys, the most important thing, you need the fluency. And also many people have fluency in their English language will they speak, but in American accent, in Indian accent, in any another accent, they don't have. That's why guys, today I'm making this video. The topic is very beneficial, and it is also very easy. Only you have to practice the advice that I'm gonna give you for 2 or 3 days, then it will be natural. So guys, let's start the video and let's begin my topic. So now guys, first of all, I want to talk about some basic things. The basic things that I'm gonna tell you, it is very important. I know, and everyone, we have seen the speaker in our life. So now the question is how a speaker helps us. Remember, and everyone knows that when we just hear a song, or it can be a speech, or it can be anything from a speaker, then first of all we just manage the sound of the speaker. Like now I wanna saw in our home there is a very big occasion is going, and now everyone is also very silent. That's why when I use a speaker, then the thing that I connect with the speaker, the sound, the volume will increase, and then we also can hear the thing very easy. So guys, this type of things a speaker helps us. And whenever you saw anyone, or if you also use a speaker, then you must first of all manage the sound. You can see that whenever many people they link or connect their phone with the speaker, first of all they sometimes they like decrease and also less the sound, and sometimes they increase the volume of the speaker. And then when they find out a the sweet point or a minimum or a middle sound, then they just hear the song or hear in another thing by the sound. So guys, this thing is very important also. Now it's an example, and another example is also if you hear a native speaker speech very carefully, then you can understand that the native speakers or the people who use the American accent in their speech, then never pronounce a sentence clearly word by word. Okay, their sound never be same in every word. So that's why I am also telling you the thing. And you also can observe that many singers, sometimes they increase their volume in some words, and then sometimes they also decrease or less their volume in some words while singing a song. So this thing, everything teaches us a number of things. That's why I always tell that the world is our classroom. So guys, now we everyone have a volume. in our time. So that's why I tell that try to master your volume. And now how to do it? The practice that I am gonna share with everyone today in this video, this is that the staircase intonation. Yes guys, the staircase intonation. And now everyone will think that, whoa, what is this practice? No, what is meaning of the staircase? What is the meaning of staircase? How a stair help us? We know that a stair helps us to go down and also go upward. So it is the work of a steer. But now, for to speak the English language, what's the work of a steer? Then guys, I wanna tell that we have a volume in us, and we are the only one who can master and who can make our volume up and also down. If you think that now I want to make my volume increase, I want to increase my volume, and then that's why you only have to increase your volume. No one will help you to increase your volume. So it is the main thing. That's why guys, I always tell, try to focus in the staircase, because when you will speak something, speak a line in English language, then guys, you have to increase your volume in some words, and also you have to less or downcrease your volume, your tone in some words. Now it will be a very difficult thing to understand, but with some examples I am gonna tell you that. So there is a very great quote. This quote is that some people feel the rain, others just get wet. How we pronounce it in the Indian accent, we also pronounce it there. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. In this sentence, I don't use the staircase. Only I pronounce it in one breath. I don't ever increase my volume, and I also don't less my volume. I just speak in a middle volume and a perfect volume for the sentence. But now guys, if I use the staircase intonation, then it will be sound like some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. First of all, you have to practice it very slowly. That some people feel the rain, some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. So this simple thing, just you have to increase your volume in some words, and you have to downcrease your volume in some words also. Then it will be sound like naturally. You can speak English fluently, you can speak English confidently, but if you just stay, if your hands like still, and if your body also still, if you speak that some people feel that in other just get wet, some people feel that in other just get wet, then the people who are watching you, who are doing conversation with you, or it can be your audience also, they will be bored after a minute. But if you guys with some body expression, if you increase your tone in some moment, if you downcrease your tone in some moment, then it will be sound like great. That some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. It is a great idea to practice, guys. That's why I am giving you the advice that learn the staircase intonation. And also guys, there are some rules of the staircase intonation that you must follow and you have to follow. Nana. And the rules are very important. Without the rules, you can't understand when to increase your volume and when to decrease your volume. So guys, it's also very important. And now guys, I am want to tell you the rule, and the rule is just try to increase your volume in a barf. Okay, barf. So remember this thing, that some people feel the rain, others just get it. Some people feel the rain, some people feel the rain, some people feel the rain. You can observe that I just force on the feel. Some people feel. And then the next sentence was that some people feel the rain, others just get. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. So this simple thing, try to observe it, try to learn it, and then it will be very good. Just try to increase your volume in the bars. Okay, in the verbs, which can divide into three parts: the past tense, the present tense, past participle. It is very very important. There is also another example I want to give you. If you want to be strong, you learn to fight alone. If you want to be strong, learn to fight alone. So it's the thing, guys, I want to tell. Bye bye, I will meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like the staircase, then guys, please work on it. It will be very very good for you. So bye bye.